vai vai a manuia Aua e te loto vai vai Pea o mai whai na tā Lua te whaata
It's a huge week, not only for the people in the room, but for the future generations that want to play professional sport, not just rugby league.
Lua whawhine se I e whalongo mai I le maupu o le awhai
I got to call my father and I told him, Dad, I'm gonna play for Samoa instead. And that was the first time I watched my father cry.
O e malua I le ainga nei Lua whawhine se alofa whai le lei
It means a lot, you know. So just for my sisters back at home. Tata o toa.
Spent this week in PNG preparing for this encounter. Stop the day to seal a 14-point victory for Fetu Samoa. Winners of Fiji in
there ain't no better fit.
Fetu Samoa have their first lead of the ball game. It's Taylor by
Ladies play for each other. The circle right here.
So if I say I got you, Birdie, then I mean it.
Okay, so the girls are pushing here. Who's the ball we play for our bench? Okay? You run to break, to hurt.
They only love you for the moment. As soon as you're down, they're gonna leave you us for dead. They don't care about you, they only care about your bread. As soon as they start winning, there's nothing to forget. There ain't no better thing. They're coming home, walking through them gates. Everybody got their phone. I'm in my fields when I see my little sister.
Try scored by the veteran Nua Asala for Fetu Samoa.
Cause they say they got you, but they leave you on your phone. Phone calls, man, me tripping on the phone. Cause they say they got you.